I had a little bit of a nasty crash, but the drone kit looks a-okay. Now, if you can't already tell, the whole premise of this video is actually going to be a review of this new Beagle Drones Drone Kit 2X. So what do you say we actually head back to a couple weeks ago when I got sent this drone. This is before I even arrived here in Pittsburgh at Carnegie Mellon's campus. So let's just head right back on to New Jersey. Alright, everybody show your burgers. Hello. Look at these. Reggie, do you want some? Reggie, come here. Reggie, you want fry? Who's your good boy? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miho. Happy birthday to you. Now blow out the imaginary candle. Yay! Should I get the drone now?
Yes.
Get the drone?
Yes.
I can get it.
Ben is about to fly his drone.
Alright, I just crashed it.
Wait, where is it?
I crashed it, let's go.
Wait, it's fine. It's not
Where did it
broken.
go? Where did it go?
I was filming, I didn't see.
Stephanie, show me, where is it?
It was like on that tree in the
No! Oh, there it is. Hi, how is it?
I mean, he ate some grass, but
He ate
I
some
think
grass.
that's like
Are any of the
first.
propellers broken? Damn. Yeah. Alright, we're good.
Hell yeah.
And it's still rolling too. I think I'm gonna put this away for the day and practice more on the simulator before I actually take this out for real. And then I'll give you guys my thoughts on this drone.
He
All right.
sucked.
Hey, don't ruin my take. All right, back to future me. Now, before I can actually start taking this drone on more test flights, I wanted to actually talk with Dwight Neptune, the CEO of Beagle Drones, and get his thoughts on what he made new with this drone and why it's so much better than V1. What's up? How are you?
I'm chilling.
How's everything going? Are you excited for interview?
Sure. Hi, my name is Dwight Neptune. I am 22. I'm the founder of Beagle. So for Drone Kit 2, we've made a world of new improvements, and Drone Kit 2 is the best drone we've ever made thus far. The new hardware platform has really enabled us to innovate even quicker. That, you know, just about 3 months later, we are coming out with Drone Kit 2S. That now has a return to home feature. It has our new OmniTune system, which is a platform where we can send updates to the drone through Betaflight, and you no longer need to plug into Betaflight and tinker around and test new settings if you really don't need to, because most of our users are creators. They're not pure FPV hobbyists, and they just want an FPV drone that they could fly in. And Drone Kit 2S has a return to home feature. It has a new camera which has a wider field of view as well as dynamic night vision, so when you fly in low light it is still relatively good. So we've been able to innovate really quickly with our new platform in Drone Kit 2, moving to Drone Kit 2S. And the great thing is OmniTune will be coming to Drone Kit 2 as well if you are a Drone Kit 2 owner, because we firmly believe in supporting our products for as long as possible.
Yeah, we're wrapped. All right. Can you give one clap to the camera? That way I can sync everything. And that leads us to right now. I've had quite a bit of time to mess around with this drone, and I have a lot of thoughts about it. To start, everything I said about Drone Kit V1 still stands. That's an amazing modular FPV drone that makes it easy for a noob like me to actually get into this hobby. Essentially, this Drone Kit 2X is just a refinement of the V1 experience, adding a whole bunch of new features such as mode switches on the controller, which let you turn the drone on and off, set it to return to home mode, change flight modes between normal, acro, and FPV, and switch between cine and sport modes, as well as a slew of other hardware improvements from improved battery life, extended range, better performance and speed thanks especially to those stealth upgrades, and a new vision system. The design of this drone also feels a lot tighter than the old one. It was able to handle multiple crashes with only the propellers ever breaking. The entire drone body was completely fine. And it also flies a lot smoother than the old one, where I would usually get some speed wobbles as I descended with the drone, and this one flies rock solid. All of these improvements in tandem made the overall user experience of this drone a lot better. A lot of the things I've become accustomed to in the practice simulator, from better range, battery life, and that heads-up display, now translate over to the real-world experience with this drone. And acquiring shots that I previously could only do in the simulation are now possible in real life. Still though, I am far from perfect with these drones. While I can now fly decently without crashing, there's still a lot more practice that I need to put in before I can actually capture the cinematic video that I am truly happy with. However, one thing is certain, and it's that I'm only able to do what I can do now because of how good the experience of using and flying this Beagle drone actually is. It's honestly so much simpler to set up, use, and experience than that first generation drone, and feels a lot more like a consumer retail product than just a hobbyist toy. And for that reason, I'm super excited to be able to continue to improve my skills with it and use it as a real piece of film gear for me in the future. Anyway, that's been my review of the Beagle Drone Kit 2X. If you're interested in this product, I have a link down below to where you can find it. And please let me know in the comments what you think of this vlog style video. I tried to make this a little more informal than my typical reviews. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and make sure to hit that subscribe button to catch future episodes. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch you all later. That's a wrap.